All right, guys, 2021 and up, 2024 Honda Civic or Honda Accord. We're gonna take out this dash trim right here. The purpose of taking this out because I wanna take out the airbag on the passenger side or maybe the whole dash. So I'm just doing a small little series of video taking this trim right here, this control panel. All you need is just a couple tools. There's no screwdriving, there's no nut, there's no bolts on this. Okay, just a push in a retainer. So try to pry it out all around right here. Just like that. Same thing on the top. Okay, just pry it out all the way around. Yo. Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah. Right here. Hold on. This tab's right here. There you go. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Oh wow. Now all the connector need to take out.
Oh my goodness.
One more. Alright guys, there you go. So like I said, there's lots of tabs in here. It holds with all these tabs. There's no bolts or there's no nut. Okay. It holds this black tabs right there.
Right.
And then there's green one right here, or blue one, light blue. Those are the only one that holds in to the dash right here on those holes right there. Right there. So there you go, check it out. All right, so that's how you take out this dash piece, and then the control unit right there for your AC heater control. Not bad. There you go.
Yeah.
All right guys, so after taking out the dash right here, we're gonna take out this touchscreen radio we have, but there's two screws right there, that one and then that one. That's a 5/16. So go ahead, take it out. And then while he's taking that out, you have to take out this cover right here on the top. This is just a sensor right here. I took it out already. Pull it out.
Yeah.
Good.
Another one?
Yeah, another one.
Yeah.
And then up on the top here. So this cover has to come out first, like that. Just use this trim tool. There's tabs right there on each side. There's a 4 on the left and the right, and 1 on the front right there. There's tabs. So okay, and there's a screw right here on the corner right here, and then on the other side as well. Don't lose it. And then this is the last one right there.
Yeah.
So no. Okay, we can take it out. So pull this out.
Put out?
Yeah, slowly. Can you do it? Okay.
Yeah, I do it.
Got it. Okay. There we go.
Yeah, and
There's the bolt right here.
also.
Here's a wire. Yeah, take out the wire.
Wire like that.
The bottom. There you go. Yeah, 2 wire. There you go. So basically, there's the bolt that goes in there from the back. 1 on the left and 1 on the right, coming from the back of the radio. And then this right here is going to the straight down here. So there's only 4 bolts. That's it. So that's out. Easy. That's how you take out the radio, the touch screen on your Civic or Honda Accord 2021 and up. That's it.